Thank you, Moose Toys, for sponsoring this video. Hey everyone, I'm Tiana, and today I'm doing a chick egg hunt of little live pets. I'm so excited. I'm going to go on a little chick hunt. Come on, let's go. What the egg could be? Let's go look in here. I didn't find eggs, but I found turtles.
Where?
You see those bumps? They're turtles.
Oh yeah, they're just like hanging out there.
They look camouflaged. They look like just bumps. At first I was like, those are just bumps. Now that we found turtles, now we still have to find the egg. I found an egg! Look it, it's pink and dark pink and light pink speckles.
Yay, you found one!
Yay! I'm gonna put it on my basket.
Okay, let's go search for more.
Yeah.
Goodness.
No, and hamsters.
Oh, look how ginormous these ones are.
Yeah, look, I think that must be a mom and a dad. No, these are guinea pigs. A few of them are bunnies, but mostly they're guinea pigs.
Look how cute they are.
Oh, look at this crazy one. It's a dude, all right. Look at it. It's just like Mother Duck. There's 10 little ducklings. I wonder if there is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so close.
Look how close we are to the little babies.
Look at how furry that one is. The first one. I just stretched. Look at it. It's so cute. So cute. Okay. I spot an egg.
Looks like they left you a present. You got it!
Yes! We are nice and clean. Let's go find some of our chicks.
How's that water?
I'm freezing. I hope I find the golden chick. I'm gonna look for it. Ooh, look at buckets. Ow. Ow. I don't think there's any here. I think there's more like, ow. Ouchie. I found one under the bushes. Yes, I found one. Yes, 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 yes. Ooh, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if this is a stone. No, I'm wrong. It's an egg. Oh my goodness, I found an egg. Yeah, Snoopy Day. So these are the eggs that we found on our egg hunts, and I'm going to show you how to hatch them. This is how you hatch them. You pull this remove tag, then you twist this and pull it out, and you remove this tag. And you can hear it tap, and it's ready to hatch. Oh, it's ready! Oh, it went the wrong way. There you go.
Aw, who is it?
It's Blue. I'll just open. I think he needs help.
Oh, he's ready. He's hopping out.
Ah, he's so cute. Ah. Aren't you a cutie? Oh, and he has stars.
Aww.
Like right here. This is Tilly the dancing chick. I see why they call it dancing.
He loves to dance.
Yeah, I thought his name was Star because he had stars. Oh, and he's kind of like singing. So all of them have different hatching times, and I can't wait to see who it is, and it's tapping. Whoa! Okay, that one went, what the hell? Aww.
Oh, that's the daisy chick.
Daisy. No wonder why it's called Daisy, because there's flowers on her.
Blossie the daisy chick.
Flossie the daisy chick. Flossie. And our third chick. So you remove this, you twist this and lift it, and you peel this. It's tapping!
Uh-oh, I hear it crack. Who is it?
Who is it? Who is it? Come on, hurry. Wow, I think maybe she could be the longest. Look at my magic works. I was like, ta-da!
No,
and
you guessed it.
Oh my gosh, so cute. She even has pink cheeks. And I think that's the only one that has pink cheeks, actually.
That one is Beaky the Rainbow Chick.
Aww. And she's the only one that has pink on her cheeks.
Aw. So the only one that wears blush?
I guess.
Hi there.
Hi. I like her feathers. They're pretty. Don't fall off the table though. So this one, guys, didn't work. So the batteries were dead. So all you have to do to change them is right here. Small. For a very small chick.
Yeah, we just gotta open the compartment and put a new battery, so
Yeah.
we'll do that. Looks like they're meeting.
Hi.
They're like kissing.
Good.
Oh, there's another one coming.
Group kiss!
They're all stuck.
Oh no. I'll reattach them.
There you go. Race.
Whoever can get. I think this one's running.
That one's running.
What about this one? Like, what's wrong with this one?
I think you have to pet them.
Go, everybody, go, everybody. So you can pet their head over and over again until they sing a tune. That's the tune. So this is how you rehatch them. You slowly push it down. Then you try not to touch it. We're rehatching. Now you just have to pet it again. Ta-da!
There, see, you can rehatch it over and over.
Yeah. And it's just like the little chickie. These cute little chicks are available in stores now. They are $14.99. Will you be the lucky one to find the golden chick? Which one was your favorite? Comment down below. My favorite was all of these. Thank you, Moose Toys, for sponsoring this video. If you want to see 2 awesome videos, click here or click here. Thank you for watching, everybody.